Alright, you guys, so we are finally about to attempt this. So we got the front lip right there, spoiler right there, grill right there. Yeah, we just got done taking the dog to the park, so we are just going to try to knock this out before the races tonight. Try to go catch a meet. Fucking hand in the camera. Yeah, we're gonna try to catch a meet tonight. So I'm about to jack the car up so we can do the front lip, and then throw the spoiler on, and then the grills, and then one more final piece, hopefully tonight. So y'all stay tuned, BRB. Let me jack this up real quick. Alright, so we got that done. Plenty of room to work now, so we are going to slide the blanket under here. We ain't got some screws for this shit because it didn't come with screws. I'll show you guys in a second, but this is the lip. Out for you guys real quick. God damn it. There's the car, there's the lip. The thing about it is these are adjusted. This to go up here by a bed. But we gotta line the middle up first because the middle goes first. Where the middle sits on top of those two pieces. So get some painter's tape, put the middle up real quick, and then we'll figure out how the size is gonna look. I'm not a professional, so I don't talk shit in my comments. Like I said, this is the first time I've ever put a lip on a car, so we're all just gonna hope for the best. I'm just doing what I thought I saw on YouTube. For some reason, it's not working out for me, bro. I need some fire tape. Hold on, fam. I replaced fucking Home Depot screws. Inch and a half for the long ones, and some washers. So I ain't gonna lie, bro, this shit getting kind of difficult. It's cold, so I'm just going to say fuck it and screw like 2 of these in for the middle ones and hope it stays up. Hope it's straight. I mean, I think I got it pretty lined up right now, but if I start pinching for centimeters and shit, I'm gonna be out here all night. And like I said, it's too cold for all that. So we're gonna work with what we got for now. Screw in the washer. Extra $5 on top of what I already spent. fucking sun beat. The life of fucking production. I tell you, that's what you gotta do. Shit, fucking tape on my head and shit. So let's hope this goes well. All right, here we go. Hope for the best. That shit didn't move. I don't give a fuck right now. I'm trying to fight the cold in my body. But I mean, shit, it ain't coming down. That's for damn sure. Alright, what I want to do is do like right here, though. On this side of this shit. To make sure. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm doing this shit to learn, man. This is a great car to learn on. Like I said, they got hella parts for this shit. I got this on eBay, so if it fucking breaks, I'll get another one. I'm pretty sure it ain't gonna break though. We do a 150 in this motherfucker, and if you don't screw this down strong enough, this motherfucker will rip right the fuck off. You start wind get under it. So we got 2 screws in for now, or 3 now. So I'm trying to use as little as screws as possible, while also maintaining the durability. I'm gonna have to screw through both of these. I'm about to screw through like both of these the way they line up. So the long screws are gonna go through the sides, and then once I get those up and just in place, then I'll go through and like refasten it, make sure everything else is good. But as you can see, we got 1, 2, 3 screws going, so I think it's gonna look good, man. So just give me a second. I'll probably just put this in on a time lapse and just try to knock this shit out, man. Not talk too much. So yeah, that. All right, so we got one side up. It don't look too bad, like I said, man. Shit, it lined up all right. It lined up all right, man. I'm not trying to have that fin on the side sticking out too far. Really just wanted it to cover the tires, so I think that's cool, man. I'm gonna go ahead and do the other side. Y'all saw me struggling with this tape and shit, man, so I'm not finna time lapse. I'm gonna just get this shit over with, man. Okay, knock this out, and then I'll get to the spoiler in a second. So the spoiler and the grill still fuck. All right, I had to take a break and go thaw out because I couldn't feel my toes. Why do we not record in HD all the time? What the fuck? But I got the lip on. I got the new grills in. I ain't gonna lie to you, man. I'm out here cold. I was angry. I was frustrated. So I was just fucking ripping this old one out. I didn't go through the proper procedure to take those out, but Luckily, I didn't damage any of the clip positions, so those ones still snapped in nice. They fit good, man. No cap, that shit looks way better. Them stripes is bright as hell, but I mean, it's an M, so we M'd up. We M'd up, but you see we got the spoiler put on. We got good fitment. It lined up the way I wanted to. Got them ugly grills out of there. Got the new updated ones. Everything came gloss black and it matches the car, so I mean, I'm happy with this, I ain't gonna lie. That looks pretty good. It's still off the ground, so when we lower it, it's gonna look a lot more aggressive. It's my first time doing a splitter, dog. And I'm not gonna lie, if I ever get a splitter again, I'm not getting one that comes in 3 pieces, because that shit was a pain in the ass. So just be ready for that if, you know, you're trying to get one of these eBay ones, universal ones. Just getting it in position, unless you have help or a lift or some shit. It's hard to get it lined up the way you want it to and make sure it's gonna stay where you want to. So just think about that, or else get one that's all one piece. I'm not gonna lie, it's cold, so I'm gonna put all of this back in the garage, and then we will do the spoiler last and with the door closed. It's cold as fuck. So it's only like 7 or 8 right now, so still some time before the meet tonight. So once we throw the spoiler on, we'll get a better look at this, you know. But for now, we got to close the garage, man. It's cold. It's cold. It's cold. It's cold. All right, you hooligans. Last piece. This is 18 below 0 in this hole. Here it is. Keep this tape up. I just wiped the back of the car down with some rubbing alcohol. So make sure you prep your surface first. And got a good old heat gun, so we're just gonna do this first. I don't know how double-sided tape is gonna keep this on. I just never used double-sided tape like that. JD Wells super glue man over here, so I guess we'll go fit it first to see if it's 1, 2, get the placement, you know. So that's what it's gonna look like when it's put on there. A little different persona. Oh yeah, that's definitely that's a high kick for sure on that guy. I'm gonna get this one more heat up real quick just to make sure. Just gonna do it on 1 and 2. Like I said, it's cold in here, so I'm gonna get all the heat I possibly can just to give this better sticking performance. Give me less of a headache. Yeah, man, it lines up good. You see, on that side. And on that side, it's a little bit of play. Just like centimeter, it's like centimeters off, but that looks good, man. I like that. Give you guys one more look at it with no spoiler. Little naked booty. That's the before, man. Y'all gonna see the after again. Alright, so we used the whole little ass roll they gave us, but we just threw it on there. So like I said, I'm gonna heat it up one more time, take the sticky shit off, and stick it on there. So processes. Alright, it's on there. Alright then. Sheesh. She got ass now. Got a little butt. She got a little whoop. Hold on, let me show y'all the last final touches for this session. Oh yeah. You know when you're on that holographic shit. On that holographic life, so I'm gonna throw these on real quick, man, and then that's it. I'm gonna lower the car back down, and then we're gonna wait, wash it up later. It's cold as hell outside, so we just gonna go and hit a quick little wash, and see what else the night brings. But we riding with Rick now, so in the spaceship. Yeah, alright, y'all. The finishing touches. Oh man, BMW project in the books. That shit's hella funny to me, bro. I like it because it matches the holographic carbon fiber on the inside too, so it all works out, man. Like I said, we got the M, so we got the M grills, the rear spoiler, the front lip on, and yeah. All right, I'm gonna go chill, clean up, relax until the meet later. And yeah, man, I'm probably gonna make 2 separate videos about that just because this is probably hella long. Probably want to just make an install video about these 3 things. And yeah, so y'all stay tuned for what's in store later tonight in the next video. And again, I appreciate y'all fucking with me. Thank you for rocking with me. Stay tuned for what's to come, you know. That's all the aesthetic stuff. We already had some fun on the channel. And stay tuned, man. Enjoy me working on these cars, man. It ain't just gonna be my car on this channel. It's gonna be everybody's car that be hitting me up to help them with some stuff. So as I learn, y'all gonna learn with me, man. That's how I learned off this YouTube channel. So, you know, I'm gonna try to help people like how I was helped. That's all it is trying to give back to the platform that, you know, blessed me with the knowledge. So I'm going in the house because it's cold. I'm gonna put this motherfucker back on the ground and go inside, man. Y'all have a good rest of y'all night. I'll catch y'all in the next video. Stay tuned, man.